Yeah.
How many litres can this hold?
Enough for a century.
Okay.
Why?
Good.
If that thing can hold like 9 litres. Oh shit. Actually, use this as well.
Oh, true. So don't spill any on the ground.
Yeah. But be very careful. This is like really shit rough ground. So when you're pulling it out, it's gonna vibrate.
Probably what? Oh, this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So the oil will splash around.
Yeah.
You got me?
Yeah. I got you. Did I even pop my hood? Nope.
So yeah.
Probably not the best thing to do when it's like freshly hot, but you know, should right.
You want some gloves?
Wouldn't the oil come out like super fast as well?
Oh, actually.
What? Got it.
Sure.
Yo.
Yeah. Run your car for like 5 minutes.
What's that?
Engine flush.
Engine flush?
Yeah, boy. It's like the best shit.
What do you do? Oil change?
Yeah, when you do oil change, you pour this in here. Some it.
What does it do?
Flushes all your bad engine oil out.
Alright.
Doesn't matter if it's in or out, just means. So put the cap back on.
Yeah. And then just run my engine.
Just run your engine for like 5 minutes. And it should release a lot more oil out of the engine than before.
Flush.
Okay.
I believe. I hope. I'll see if it's my clutch. I'll push my clutch. That in fact is not my clutch. That noise is not my clutch. My clutch is not a lot more faster.
Huh?
What are you spraying?
CLC. It's good for belts. I believe your belts.
Of course.
Yeah.
Probably.
That one down there. Oh wait. Nah.
Where's that timing belt?
They're just poorly tightened.
Or is that timing belt? I think that's my timing.
Yeah, could be in there.
Yeah, my timing belt is in there.
At least it's a fucking dry belt.
Yeah.
Not a wet belt.
No, we'll spray it. So.
I had it. So there was a Fiesta in the shop today.
Yeah.
And
A Ford Fiesta
yes.
and a caravan.
Yeah.
Yep.
Things were too hot.
Yep.
Anyway, this lady was like, oh, I think my engine's broken down.
Yeah.
So we push it in a fucking car bay. And anyway, I'm like, what year is it? 2019. I'm like,
Gosh.
yeah. I think your wet belt is kind of cooked the motor. And she's like, how do you know? I'm like, well, it's just how it goes, you know.
Common problem for common traffic.
Ford issues.
Yeah. Your car is now a tool bench. Your car is now a tool bench, did you know? 6도 더 쉽다. Yes. Got it. Got it. Yeah, she got it. Absolutely. Yeah. That's just great. Doesn't really fit.
Hell yeah.
Huh?
Are you filming something?
Yeah, you can talk. Doesn't matter. Hello.
It's good to get go through a couple more holes. It should be in like tight. But it's a pain in my ass.
You won it. You got it.
Yep.
Carl's me. Carl's always a pain in the ass, but it's always good in the end.
He ordered this roll bar. Well, now he's got it and now he's in it.
I can't peel off one sticker. That's legal.
No, don't do that.
That's it. Have
Yeah,
this one.
yeah.
Or the card's not legal.
It's probably legal, but it's probably not legal down the track.
Next one, neighbor.
Good on.
I can't hear that timing belt noise anymore, so I should. Yeah, that's probably just like habit or whatever. Which is not good. But
Probably not. No.
it's not good, but
No. When he
It does the
goes
job.
down to sweet, then it's never quite good.
it does the job. So that's what it needs to do. I'm just going to reverse it a little bit. Reverse the car a little bit to get off the ramps.
Ask Ethan about speeding.
Nah. The MX-5 can't go fast, Mum. I've never got a speeding fine.
No, he's
so
only
this-
got
this
2
can't
in the
go
last not too long.
That can't go fast, this can't go fast, none of these can go fast.
Yeah.
They're just...
He's still managed to get 2 speeding fines more recently.
How? Doing what? Like what speeds?
No idea. I stay out of it. As long as he pays his fines, I don't care.
Whoa. Emptied out all the oil into a milk jug. Milk jug is 3 litres. It's not full.
Sorry, Mum.
That's not good.